In this tutorial, I'm going to look at how to reduce the size of our video. Maybe you have a large capacity of a video and you want to reduce the size, and this will be very important for the training. You know, you are about 40 thereabout. So to view all the videos, you have to reduce the capacity or the size of the video so that I can view all the videos will be posting. Now you locate your PANDA video compressor and open it. When you open it, we select the video you want to reduce the size. Now we are going to reduce the size of the video we just made, so you click on it and click on next. Now you can use any of this, but I recommend you to use the medium file better, so use that one. Click on it to select it. After that, you click on compressed. You can also use the large file to do it, but if you use the small file, the video will be blurred. You not see it well, but you can use the medium file or the large file. That one is better. So you click on compress here. You click on it and wait for it to load. Now it's 100. Finally it's done. Now you can see the original file was 1.8 megabytes, but now it have changed. It have now compressed to 0.3 megabytes here. So now we have to save it. You click on save. You click on OK. It will save.